Hey, what's up guys? It's Carlos back with Central Florida Pick and Pay, and today we got a little challenge for Luigi and Renee. We're gonna be finding out who exactly can name off these 5 parts here. Today we got CarPlay screen, we got an injector, we got a camshaft with a timing gear, we got a valve body, and we got a little taillight here. We're gonna be finding out who can guess all of these parts within a short time period while being blindfolded. Let's find out.
This is a light, tail light, I think. Yeah, it's not big. That's one. What is this? It has oil. Valve body. Valve body. What the? Oh hell no! I don't know what this one is. Oh, fuel injector. Wait. Camshaft, and this is a timing gear right here. What else? Damn, I don't know this one. Has this? Does it have things in the back? I think it's a radio. Radio. Yeah. It has a plug. Yeah, it's a radio. Screen radio. Oh, shit. Oh, ooh, cut that off. I cursed.
It's a tail light. This is a tail light. You got a little tail light. Is it like a solenoid, like an ECU? Nah, this is a transmission thing, like an engine. I'll be back for that. Oh, okay. This is just a camshaft. Okay. So was this the head? Were these the... An injector. What the hell? Is this an amp? The hell? A screen?
That one was simple. This one was the simplest one.
Cake.
This one is.
I didn't know if it was for the engine or the transmission,
Nah,
but now that I see it is a valve body.
When I was touching it, bro, I was like, it has oil on it. And I feel like this, I was like, yeah, that's definitely a valve body. This one, once I grabbed it, I was like, yeah, that's a camshaft. And then I moved it here. I was like, timing gear.
I don't know how I did
this one.
This, bro.
I didn't know what it was at first until I touched this thing. I was like, oh, it's an injector.
It's injectors, yeah, they all go everywhere.
And then, like, yo, the same thing, I almost thought it was an amp. Because of this lines, I was like, okay, it's an amp. And then I turned it over, I'm like,
I was like, there's no way an amp is gonna be that flat. No way.
And then I started touching these. That's when I was like, yeah, that's a fact. I'm not a fact, it's screen rate. Yeah. I mean,
I thought there was gonna be more.
You need practice, buddy. You need practice. And I hate cars. My bad.
Hey, I got it though.
You got it. You got it wrong.
All right, guys, so today our winner is Luigi. Yes. Now, if you guys enjoyed watching that video, make sure you guys like, subscribe, and leave a comment on who you guys thought was gonna win and what you guys would have gotten stuck on here.
Maybe next time I'll get him.
Next time. Next time.
Maybe next time not.
Ooh.